Hello and welcome back. On this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of EndeavourOS with the Xfce desktop, and some of the applications pre-installed. EndeavourOS is a rolling release Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. The project aims to be a spiritual successor to Antergos, providing an easy setup and pre-configured desktop environment on an Arch base. EndeavourOS offers both offline and online install options. The offline installer, Calamares, uses the Xfce desktop by default. The online installer can install optional software components, including most popular desktop environments. EndeavourOS was born after Antergos announced the end of the project and some members of the community decided to create a new project. Finally, on July 2019, EndeavourOS released the first version. The team did not expect that much of the Antergos community would follow them, but the response and the numbers of community members that joined exceeded their expectations. EndeavourOS uses systemd as in its software. EndeavourOS can run on x86 64 and ARM64 processor architectures. The supported file systems are Btrfs, X3 and X4. Like Arch Linux, EndeavourOS uses pacman for package management. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the pacman package manager. EndeavourOS includes the version 5.15.6 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of EndeavourOS are Firefox and Parole Media Player. Let me know your thoughts about EndeavourOS in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.